Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the Fall Lantern Collaboration 2019. This is being hosted by Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. And before I get started on showing you my lantern, I just want to thank Kenya for making this an open collaboration, and oh, it was just so much fun. And for those of you who may not know Kenya's Decor Corner, I'm going to leave a link to her channel below. And please check her out. She does a variety of stuff. She does clean with me, DIYs, just a variety of stuff. So please go check her out. Now, on to the challenge is you would get your lantern, you decorate it, and then show how you have added it to your decor. So now I am going to get on the other side of the camera and show you exactly how I did mine. Now I just want to start with my lantern. Now this is a lantern that I picked up last year at Hobby Lobby. It was 75% off, so I got it for $25. Oh, and it is huge. I love this lantern. So what I have done, I love roosters and chickens and everything, so I put a rooster inside. And then at the bottom, I've just added some fall leaves. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it does have a little string of lights at the bottom. And because what I did when I brought it home, because it's so big, I got Mike to cut a hole in the bottom, and that way I can string up some of those lights from Dollar Tree. They come in like 2 foot, I think, boxes. So that's what those lights are. And then at the top, all I did there was just add a funky bow. And this funky bow is one that I made last year. And I just got it out of my tub and added it to this, to my lantern. Now, I'll show you where I have put it in our home. I added this to my cozy corner, and I'll give you a closer look to that. All I did here is I made a rag garland, and I don't know if the little lights are going to show up real good. It is a lighted garland, and this time, instead of using clear lights, I actually use orange lights, and I'm not sure if they're going to show up good on camera. And then I just, at the top, also just added some cattails and some more fall leaves. And then this little guy, I found at Goodwill for $1.99, and he was just so cute. I just added him up here. Look at him. And then a flower and some more leaves. And then this little plaque. And this little thing, it's also from Goodwill, and I'm not sure how much I gave for it, but you can see share, love, give thanks. And then here is where I added my lantern, and I have it on top of 2 picnic baskets. The first one is a pretty good sized picnic basket, and then the second one is just a little tiny one, but it's big enough to hold my lantern. So that gave it some height. And then on top of the picnic basket, I did just add some pumpkins, and this is just a little gourd that my daughter-in-law actually grew, dried, and then painted for me. So I really appreciate that. And then just some more little weed-like things with some feathers in it. And then sitting beside this is a 3-basket display. You can see the 3 baskets, one on top of another. And then I have a Jim Shore. This is from the Wizard of Oz, the Scarecrow. It's also in front of a mirror. That's how I used my lantern. Now, I just want to say once again, I want to thank Kenya for making such a fun challenge. And I also want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and a great weekend. Bye-bye, and may God bless.